You won't believe what ChatGPT 5 can do now. This is next-level AI, smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever. Stick around because I'm about to show you the coolest new features of GPT-5 in action. Let's dive in. Check this out. GPT-5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total game changer. It's faster, more accurate, and drastically cuts down hallucinations. It can code, reason, and debug like a pro, all in record time. You're basically getting PhD-level answers in areas like math, health, and programming. Watch how it works when I give it a coding challenge. It pauses to think, reasons deeply, and then delivers the perfect solution. This seamless switch between deep thinking and quick replies is incredible. And here's an example. I asked it to create a snake game, and in just minutes, it built it ready for you to play, share, download, or even develop further. If you're using GPT-5, here are the current usage limits. On the free plan, you get 10 requests every 5 hours. Then it switches to a slightly weaker model. Deep thinking is limited to 1 request per day. With the Plus plan at $20 a month, you get 80 requests every 3 hours and up to 200 deep thinking requests per week. And on the Pro plan at $200 a month, you get unlimited GPT-5 usage. So choose the plan that fits your needs and make the most out of this powerful AI. These prices and usage limits are accurate as of the date this video was recorded, August 10th, 2025, and may change over time. Here are some pro tips to get the best results from GPT-5. 1. Use thinking mode for complex problems that require deep reasoning. 2. Adjust verbosity low for concise answers, high for full explanations. 3. Chain tasks for smooth multi-step workflows. 4. Customize the AI's personality, make it a cynic, a motivator, a teacher, whatever works best for you. You might not follow all the tips I mentioned, or maybe you can't remember them, or it just takes too long to craft the perfect prompt. That's why we've got a quick, free solution for you. And if you want truly exceptional results, check out generateprompt.ai. You simply write your request, and the site turns it into a professional, high-quality prompt you can paste directly into GPT-5. It offers both simple and advanced prompt options. It's 100% free, and you don't even need to register. So that's GPT-5, smarter, faster, and more useful than ever. It's like having a doctorate-level expert in your pocket, and even free users can start using it today. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell on HADAF skills, and share your thoughts in the comments. Write to us your impression of GPT-5 in one word.